What is up, guys? So it's me and Cody. So let's take a look real quick. So we got 3 different shaving creams that we're gonna shoot with this bad boy right here, the BB gun, CO2 powered, 1200 FPS. So bring it towards me. So let's get her started, shall we? Oh shit. Damn. And then fire, it's highly accurate. It's on safe. So now it's gonna be Cobear's turn. It's on safety. Ooh! Woo! Fire, fire. All right, he's gonna be shooting the bug spray. Flick it, yeah. Damn. There you go.
Yeah, baby.
Shoot it one more time.
Shoot.
All right, here goes none. Is it not shooting? No, I hit it. Oh, she empty. Hey boys, we had to get a new full clip. So what we got yonder is butane lighter fluid. So you already know the drill. So we're gonna go ahead and get this bad boy in. All right, here goes nothing. Smoke them. All right, so wait before we shoot. There's another thing of butane lighter fluid that it's gonna be Cody's turn to shoot. Light them up, John. Uno mas. Fully loaded, nothing in the chamber, it's on safety. Now it's cocked. Welcome to Jackass. Shooting. Damn it, boy. Now it's Cobear's turn. All right. Oh yeah, son.
Yeah, baby.
Do full auto.